Welcome to another session of Google Web Designer tutorial. So creating groups is what we will focus on this time. What are groups? Groups are templates of assets. So let's just say that for this car I want to create a group to contain this car. Initially you can see on my screen I've got 3 layers, 1, 2, 3, all these 3 layers. They carry different pieces of image, and I like to turn them into a single unit by creating a group to contain them. This is car 1, right? Press OK. So once you have that car 1 created, you can see under library it's listed as one of the assets. So this asset you can click and put it on the screen. So this will be car number 2. You can see that they originate from the same template, which is car 1. Now imagine if I were to go into car 1 and I were to change a image here up a little, because this is a template, and anything that is duplicated, that is created from that template, will be affected as well. Even the new ones that you create will be affected. So you double click in and move this down a little. You can see that now everything is set proper, and I don't have to do it for all. I do for one and it affects all, because I am actually changing car 1, which is a template. So once you change a template, every single piece of instance on your screen will be changed as well. Right? Change one, it will affect all the copies that you have on your screen. So that's the idea the idea within a template in the library. You change one piece, it will affect all the copies.